Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to accelerate a conjugate heat transfer analysis, especially for transient analysis, which is a very time-consuming process. Before going ahead, please go and subscribe to my channel so I can make more of these videos. So the trick for conjugate heat transfer analysis is it includes two sets of equation, fluid flow equation and an energy equation. So what you need to do, especially if you are running a transient analysis, first you need to go and run a steady state just for fluid flow. So what you need to do is go to controls, go to equations. So if you just run it, it's going to run flow and energy. But for the first step, we don't want to run it for energy. So we just run it for flow. We go initialize it, run it. I'm not going to run it to just save time. So when the flow is converged, then you go, if it is a steady state, then you can just keep it. If not, you need to go, if you want to run a transient, turn on the transient, and then go to controls again. So click on equation, and then now turn off the flow. So now you have a converged fluid flow. So it's going to solve energy equation for both flow and solid if you have solid. And it's a valid assumption, especially if you don't have a big gradient in temperature, or the temperature doesn't affect on the fluid flow. So with this, it doesn't solve the fluid equation, and it's gonna save it in a great deal, and your simulation is gonna run faster. So when you turn off the flow, you just go, and then you don't need to initialize it. If you need, if it is a transient, when you initialize it, you can go to patch and give an initial temperature to some of your parts if you need to do, and then you go to run, and then you just run your simulation, and it's gonna be way faster. Thank you for watching this video.